Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is regarding the Zontes 350D. When you purchase a scooter from the dealer, the bike has already all the cabling pre-installed for the factory aftermarket heated grips. So you would purchase the grips from the Zontes dealer because they actually are designed for the bike. Then you have the option that you could do it yourself. So this video actually shows you how to complete the task yourself. Or the Zontes dealer themselves could do this task for you, and this is probably a training video they have to complete that task of fitting the heated grip. And I'm sure if you're going to purchase a Zontes 350D and you ask the dealer, the bike will probably come spec with them heated grips if you wanted them on your bike as an additional cost. As always, I think the hardest part is this part here, getting the blinking grips off. It shows you how to do it in the video, which is good, because when you've got your own bike, you're trying to put heater grips on your own bike, you don't have any idea how to get the grips off, get the bar and the weights off. So this just shows you the complete process. You probably noticed over the last few weeks, I'm only putting 2 or 3 videos up a week. I'm sorry about this, but it's just with the cost of living thingy. Everybody's in the same boat. I know, but I'm working 6 days a week. So, all the bills and everything else. So, don't forget to please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. If you have, thank you very much for joining our journey. I'm going to play some music now before the end of the video. It's a 9-minute long video. But if you want to watch the whole process, go ahead and do so. I'll skip to the parts you want to watch. This is Mad Mick signing off. I'll speak to you all later. Bye for now.
Feels like I don't know you. You don't feel the same. It feels like I've lost you, floating into space. All the things we've been through are fading into blue. I would drive to Neptune just to love you more. 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 Floating, holding hands, spacious wonder dance. Oh yeah, freeze the falling tears. We'll be always lost in here. All the things we've been through are fading into blue. I would drive to Neptune just to love